Hi again, Dennis Feder from Xpand here with another how-to video about Xpand Portal, which is part of the series of videos about the Xpand Portal solution. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can customize the dashboard of the portal by means of adding a new qtile to it. The dashboard of the portal may contain various elements such as grids, charts and tiles, and all these elements are embedded into layout blocks. So a layout block is a dashboard element which is used to organize all other blocks of data into a single section of information, while a qtile provides a visual representation of aggregated data for an entity, for example, the number of open sales invoices. All information within a qtile is based on the same data source, and this aggregated information can be shown in tiles. There can be one or several tiles within a single qtile block. Today I'll show you how you can customize your portal dashboard by means of adding a new qtile to it. Here's an example of the dashboard with some tiles, a chart and grids. Let's customize it and add a new qtile to it, which is called quotes, and it will contain one single tile that will display the total number of sales invoices. This qtile will be embedded into the already existing layout block with various other tiles. To do this, I'm going to open CMS and locate the settings for the dashboard. Here you can see all other currently available qtiles. To create a new one, I'm going to right-click Tiles, select Create. Here are the elements that can be added. In this case, I need a qtile. I'm going to give it a name to be able to locate it in CMS. I'm going to give it a title. The title will be displayed on the dashboard. I'm going to select an icon for it. The icon will be displayed right next to the title. Also, I'm going to define the data source. In this case, it's sales quote header. These are the minimum required settings for this scenario, but you can also modify the width settings for each type of the device. You can add a background color, a description, a subtitle, and configure other settings. For now, let's save these settings and publish them and see the results. Here you can see our new qtile block added, but it doesn't have any tiles yet, so we're going to add a new one. To do this, I'm going to go to the Tiles tab, choose the plus icon, give it a title. In our case, we're going to display the number of sales quotes, so the title will represent that. I'm going to select the image that will be displayed. Let's leave other settings with their default values, save these changes and publish them. Now you can see our qtile block already contains a tile and it already displays some data which is taken from the data source. But let's continue with our customization and change the sorting of all these qtiles here so that our new qtile occupies this available space here. To do this, I'm going to right-click Tiles, choose Sort, put quotes after sales documents, and save it. Also, because the default width of the qtile block is rather big, we need to change the width settings so that it is the same as other qtiles and also for it to be able to fit into the available space. Let's set it to 4 and save these changes. Here you can see our new qtile is in the new location of the dashboard. Now if I click on it, nothing happens, but in this configuration of the portal there is already a grid page that displays sales quotes. So let's link our new qtile to this grid page so that it opened it every time you click on a tile within this qtile. To do this, I'm going to go to the settings of the quotes qtile and select the page to navigate to. In this case, I need sales quotes. Let's save these changes and publish them. Now, if I click this tile, it opens the page that was set up. In this case, it's sales quotes. This was an example of how you can customize the dashboard by adding a new queue tile. This concludes this video tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, on our channel, you can find our other videos about Xpand Portal to learn more about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.